Yo guys, what's up? It's Peter here with the Madden pack opening. As you saw in the title, I will be opening 3 Team of the Week packs. They cost a lot to do. I just packed all these trophies, but I could sell them for probably all about together $160. Sorry if it hurts more in the background. In the first pack, we get Matt Asaida. Not bad. He can be my fullback. The second pack, I'm gonna cover up the card, but just look to see if there's an update team button. And there is. And I got Alex Okafor. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Not bad. Alright, and this is the last pack. I might do a few mystery packs if we don't get an elite right here. Alright, I'm gonna cover up the card again. Alright, we got an update. Oh my god. Oh my god. Team of the Week Elite Map Forte. Oh my god. Oh my god. No freaking way. Dude, that's insane. And I think I have enough trophies to do 1 mystery pack, so that'll be good. Dude, that was insane. Oh my god. He's like 200k. Yeah, well, I'll just keep him, but he's amazing. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, dang. 1k. That's pretty bad, but whatever. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.